Hey guys, Maniac Max here. So, right now I just looked on my Weather Channel app. Well, I don't really have the Weather Channel, but it's like this app, like ACCU Weather, and it's like, so it said that there's supposed to be like 8 to, I think like 10 inches of snow today. So, well, not today, but it's supposed to snow here till today at 5 until about Wednesday. So that, and there's another thing I'm going to tell you guys. I'm going to be starting a new series for my channel. I'm going to be starting, I know that was a dramatic pause, don't worry, I didn't die. I'm going to be starting some Roblox. No, I know you guys are like, oh well, you're just copying all the other YouTubers that do Roblox. There's so many of them. Just follower. That's not actually true, because I started playing Roblox in like 2013. So boy, I have this thing called Latchkey at my school, which I don't really need to go to anymore. But oh, look at my poor dog. Still go inside. But anyway, we always played like Roblox there, so it was like really cool there apparently some reason. But anyway, the reason you keep getting so close to the ground is because I'm playing basketball right now while I'm making a video. So, kind of multitasking right now. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up here, guys. And peace out.